Hello, I'm popping on real quick because I'm doing an unboxing. I get contacted by quite a few different companies to unbox things, but since I'm a DIYer, I don't usually take them up on the offer because I like to do things myself. But in this case, I really love lights. Anybody who really follows me knows lights are my thing. And I just think this might be a handy little gadget, so that is why I'm doing this unboxing. Okay, so it's called, I don't even know how you say the name, Asoko, Asoko, and it's an under the cabinet light. I didn't know for sure what I was going to get here. I was thinking it would certainly work nice when I'm doing my crafts and whatever. Sometimes I just need a little bit more light on something. And the fact that this is pretty portable, we'll see. Okay, so it looks like it has a cord to charge it. And these little LEDs, I'm assuming will stay charged for quite a while. I'll have to look on it to see how long it says it'll stay charged, but my guess is that it'll stay charged for quite a while. Looks like it's got some sort of magnets on the back. I know that there's not like hardware needed for this. It has an on, off, and an auto button. Okay, that's good to know. And that's pretty nice. It looks like this has to do with movement, and you can dim it, make it brighter. Okay, so it can be kind of a yellow light or a white light. Pretty fast learning curve, I will say. Whenever I'm looking at something, and especially when I'm doing an unboxing, I'm thinking to myself, would I buy this? If it wasn't given to me free, would I buy it? And I think the verdict is yes, I would. I'm going to see all the different ways that I can use it and see how handy it is. It's not a super, super bright light, but that might be just what I need. I don't know. So I'm going to play around with it a little bit. I'm going to see what all I can do. These magnets are very strong, a lot stronger than I would have thought. I'm going to quick take a peek at the instructions. It gives you things about the motion sensor, rechargeable, battery recommended. I'm guessing that with those magnets, we probably shouldn't put them directly onto a wall. Let's see what the instructions say. The 3M sticker is disposable, cannot be peeled off to reuse. The sticker cannot be stuck on a rough wall, such as brick. Okay, yeah, so that's what I was thinking. I think if I use this on my wall, if it's not underneath the cabinets, I'm going to decide I would probably get another sticker and attach it to the magnet so that I can peel it back. You know, those kinds that you pull it. Anyway, I may try something else. But anyway, I'm liking this. You can see how sometimes there's spots in your closet that are just shadowy and you don't get correct light, or underneath your cabinet, which is what it's actually for. It's nice. I probably would put this underneath, where I do most of my working. So, yeah, I like this. As I'm looking at this, though, I don't know if I'm going to do it under my cabinet because now I think I want it to be more portable and be something that I could put in my purse. And if I'm driving along at night and I want to read rather than having the dome light on and it's just too, I'm doing this during the day, but I could have this right in my purse and just turn it on and be able to read my book. I think it would be also really nice to have on an airplane because you know how if you're flying, you don't want to have that overhead light on if other people are trying to sleep. This might just be the thing. Okay, so the moral of the story is I would definitely use this. I will put a link below in the description that'll get you a little discount if you want to pick one up for yourself, or it would make a fantastic Christmas gift. I definitely would say, thumbs up. I like this little guy.